On behalf of Nutanix and Carahsoft, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast, focused around unifying your private cloud and AWS with Nutanix clusters, where Kelly Estes, systems engineer at Nutanix, will discuss how Nutanix clusters enable seamless application migration and unified operations across clouds to help organizations accelerate their cloud journey with AWS.
Thank you very much, and thank you everyone for joining today. We really do appreciate it. My name is Kelly Estes, and I am one of the federal systems engineers supporting the civilian agencies. So we'll go ahead and get started. So in our diagram here, you see we have all of our different clouds. We have our data center, which started with our mainframe and physical machines on-prem. Then we have all of our different cloud providers, our SaaS applications, our robo sites. And this has really just created a lot of complexity, not only on-prem, but also in the public cloud in different silos. We need to modernize the infrastructure so that we're able to get more done faster, while still being able to address all of the current and emerging needs. And hybrid cloud, it is a reality, and it's an important strategy for many of the organizations that we talk to. But hybrid cloud, it is hard. Traditional third-party cloud environments don't integrate well with on-prem infrastructure. And these public services have separate sets of skills, constructs, require different sets of management tools. So the end result is really just another IT silo with distinct operational requirements, complex management, and overall higher costs. So where Nutanix truly started out would be on our left-hand side here. How do we make infrastructure and the data center invisible and improve processes, overall complexity and silos on-prem, which I've been with Nutanix. It'll be 3 years coming up on November 6th. And I personally believe that we've done a really good job with our core and hyper-converged infrastructure story. But more and more are we hearing that, we need to go to the public cloud with our agencies' modernization initiatives and cloud initiatives. And this does make sense. And it's truly something that we've always realized from the beginning when we started as a company in 2009. It's not cloud first, but it's cloud smart. So, let's keep our static workloads on-prem and our dynamic workloads in the public cloud that need to burst quickly for scalability. Given all these factors, it's really what we need is a balance between the public, which is suitable for your elastic cloud-native applications, and private cloud, which combines ease of use, agility, and scale with the security and control of the dedicated data center, of course.